Okay, let's dive right into this explainer. The Precor TRM 445. Is it a gym-quality purist dream, or just a really expensive mistake for your home setup? Look, we're talking about a premium powerhouse here that promises a true commercial-grade experience right in your living room. Let's find out if it actually delivers.
But before you go dropping thousands of dollars, we really need to ask, is premium always tech-heavy? See, we've all been conditioned to think a huge price tag means you're getting a massive, glowing touchscreen packed with a million streaming apps. But this machine, it completely flips that expectation on its head, and we really need to understand why. The thing is, the TRM 445 brings this incredibly heavy, commercial gym feel right into your house, but it deliberately skips the flashy digital features. It's absolutely robust. It prioritizes pure mechanical engineering over, flashy entertainment. This is built for folks who want to train hard, not be entertained by the treadmill itself.
Which brings us to Section 1, built like a tank.
So when you're paying top dollar, you want to know exactly where that money is going, right? Well, it's going straight into 358 pounds of heavy-duty, fully welded steel. That is massive. We're not talking about some lightweight plastic machine that rattles the second you start a sprint. That sheer weight translates into rock-solid stability, giving you that exact same grounded feel you'd get at a high-end commercial gym.
Because it's a non-folding, totally permanent fixture, the structural integrity is just off the charts. For the serious walkers, joggers, and hardcore runners out there, this means you're getting a perfectly smooth, uncompromising surface. It stays completely planted to the floor, no matter how aggressively your foot strikes the belt.
And man, that mechanical superiority really shines when you look at the specs. You've got a super spacious 22-inch wide running surface, so there's plenty of side-to-side room. Plus, you get the incredibly rare ability to train on a 2% decline for downhill simulation, which is a total game changer. Couple that with a 3.0 horsepower continuous duty motor and Precor's ground effects impact control system that literally adjusts to your specific foot strike, you're looking at a truly elite running experience.
Moving right along to Section 2, the tech trade-off.
All right, so we know it's a mechanical beast, but let's address the elephant in the room. If you're booting this thing up expecting a massive HD touchscreen with built-in trainer-led classes, well, the traditional 7-inch LCD console is going to be a bit of a shock. You do get 23 preset programs and crystal-clear metrics, heart rate, pace, distance, but absolutely zero built-in streaming video. It is unapologetically old school.
But honestly, this lack of built-in tech is actually a massive advantage if you want to avoid what's known as the subscription trap. You know the deal. It's when you're forced to pay an ongoing monthly fee just to fully use equipment you already paid a fortune for. A lot of modern connected treadmills basically turn into giant expensive paperweights if you stop paying their app fees. But the TRM 445? It asks for your upfront investment and then literally never asks you for another dime to use its features.
Instead, you get simple, straightforward controls right alongside a super convenient tablet holder. This means you can just use your own device for entertainment. No mandatory fees. Want to binge Netflix while you run? Just pop your iPad up there. Following a free YouTube workout? Set up your phone. You're completely in control of the media, totally independent of the treadmill itself.
All right, pay close attention to Section 3, deal breakers and warnings.
I actually need you to stop and think for a second here, because skipping these logistical details could turn into a really expensive headache. You've got to do some critical checks before buying. First off, space. Measure your room because this thing is almost 80 inches long and does not fold. Check your power setup too, because this beast might actually need a dedicated 15 amp circuit. And hey, if you're buying it used or refurbished, triple check that warranty and make sure to confirm the specific weight capacity for your exact model.
You really gotta snap out of regular online shopping mode for a minute. Non-folding, 358 pounds. This is essentially a permanent piece of furniture. You cannot just wrestle this down a basement staircase by yourself on a Saturday afternoon, or plug it into some overloaded power strip. Think of it like buying a grand piano or a massive solid oak dining table. It requires serious planning. And you can't forget about the hidden costs: delivery access, assembly, maybe even an extended warranty. These absolutely have to be factored into your budget. Standard curbside delivery is just not going to cut it here. You're almost certainly going to need professional, room-of-choice delivery and assembly. Seriously, double check that your doorways and tight hallways can actually fit this machine before you even think about hitting buy.
Okay, let's wrap this all up with Section 4, the final verdict.
Let's synthesize everything we just talked about. Who should actually buy this? Well, the TRM 445 is an absolute purist's dream for serious runners who want gym-quality durability, an incredibly stable run, and zero monthly subscription fees. On the flip side, who should avoid it? Anyone who needs a compact, space-saving design, folks on a tight budget, or runners who really thrive on interactive touchscreens and virtual classes. If that's you, you're much better off looking at something like Nordic Track or Peloton. But if you just want a machine that feels permanently bolted to the floor so you can just put your head down and run, this is the one.
Our source really hit the nail on the head with this advice. Choose the treadmill that fits your real home, your real workouts, and your real budget. It is so easy to get caught up in the marketing hype, right? The massive HD screens, the virtual runs through the Swiss Alps. But if your actual routine is just hitting quick start and zoning out to your favorite podcast, well, paying thousands extra for a giant screen is just a huge waste of your budget.
So, I'm going to leave you with a provocative question to ponder as you figure out your ultimate home gym setup. Are you willing to trade a flashy touchscreen for a treadmill that will outlast your next 3 smartphones? It's definitely something to chew on. Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer. I really hope diving into